As we already completed the definitions of 1 1 and 2, now we'll see the questions in this for this particular topic. Let A be the set of all 50 students of a class. Let f is mapping from a to n be the function defined by f of x is equals to rule number of the student. Now, now it can be seen in this manner. So considering the set A is containing the elements like A is containing the students 1 to 50, and second codomain is natural numbers, and set is taking from function is taking from f to a. F is mapping from a to n. N is containing the elements 1 2 3 and so on. Just I'm taking 50, 51 and so on elements here. Now how the function is defined: f of x is equals to rule number of the student. So if I consider x is equals to 1, then this particular student is related to one number here. So 1 is mapped to 1, 2 is mapped to 2, 3 is mapped to 3, and so on. 50 is mapped to 50, and only these elements are going to be mapped, and 51, 52 and so on 53, these elements are not related to any particular element of the set A. Okay, now we'll see whether this particular function is 1 1 or not. All the elements of set A are related to only one element of set n. Now we can say f is going to be 1 1 because one element is only mapped to one element of set n. Now what we can say about the onto for each element of, so definition is for each y belongs to n, there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equals to y. So this is your general definition, and it is saying here for each y belongs to natural number, and from 1 to 50 elements. So these 50 elements are the images of particular elements of set A, but 51, 52, 53 and so on elements are not the images of any elements of set A. So that in that particular place, for each case is not completing, and so we can say by the definition f is not onto. And if you wanted to take any examples like 51, 52 and so on etc are not the images of any elements of set A. Now coming to the second question, show that the function f is mapping from r0 to r0 defined by f of x is equals to 1 by x is 1 1 and onto. And what is mean by this r0? R0 is indicating for set of all non-zero real numbers. So non-zero, zero is not included here. Okay, now coming to the first, understand for the 1 1 case, definition is f of x is equals to f of y. If we consider, then it can be taken f of x is equals to 1 by x and f of y is equals to 1 by y, and these x comma y both are belongs to r0. Domain and codomain both are r0 only. Now it can be taken x is equals to y. F of x is equals to f of y, then we are getting x is equals to y. So this implies f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Now coming to the next definition of onto, by the definition for each y belongs to r0, what the definition is given, f of x is equals to 1 by x is given, you make it as equals to y. For each y belongs to R naught, we should get x value. Then write x as 1 by y. Send this y to left hand side, x to right hand side. Then 1 by y is equals to x. Now we'll see x is equals to 1 by y. This 1 by y can be taken as belongs to R naught. Yes, 1 by y will be defined for each y in R naught such that, so we can write in this manner, for each y belongs to R naught, then there exists 1 by y belongs to R naught such that f of x is equals to f of 1 by y is equals to f of x definition function is defined as 1 by x. So f of 1 by y can be taken as 1 by 1 by y. 1 by 1 by y can be taken as y. Now for each y belongs to R naught, then there exists 1 by y belongs to R naught. This is very important, such that f of x is equals to y. So this implies f is called as onto. Now in the same question, the function is given as f of x is equals to 1 by x. Function is same, f of x is equals to 1 by x, but domain and ranges are different. Domain is considered as natural numbers and codomain is taken as R naught. Then what we can consider in this time? So whether it is 1 1 and onto, whether the result will come as same. Now we'll see 1 1 case. 1 1, f of x is equals to f of y. This implies 1 by x is equals to 1 by y. This implies x is equals to y. F of x is equals to f of y. Then we are getting x is equals to y. So this implies f is called as 1 1. F is called as 1 1. Now we'll see the second one. Because 1 by x and 1 by y both are coming from the natural numbers. So x and y both are coming from the natural numbers. Then it can be taken as x is equals to y directly. And coming to the next onto case. For each y belongs to y. For each y belongs to codomain. Codomain is nothing but R naught. So we'll define the function here. F is taken from natural numbers to R naught. And for each y belongs to R naught. Now same way, f of x is equals to 1 by x, make it equals to y. Then we are requiring to get the value of x. It can be taken as 1 by y. Now we'll see 1 by y should come from where? X value should be taken from the first set, that is domain. 1 by y should come from the natural numbers. Natural numbers will contain the counting numbers like 1 2 3 4 and so on. It will not contain any floating values. Then in that case, so how can you get, if y is taken as 2, then 1 by 2 does not belongs to natural numbers. So for each case, for each y belongs to R naught, we are not getting x is equals to 1 by y. So just you in that case consider y is equals to 2. This implies x is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 does not belongs to natural numbers, such that f of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 is equals to 2. So even though you are getting, but this 1 by 2 is not coming from the natural numbers, Okay, so for each y belongs to R naught, we are not getting 1 by y is belongs to natural numbers. So f is not onto. Coming to the next question, check the injectivity and surjectivity. Injectivity is nothing but 1 to 1. Surjective is nothing but onto. F is mapping from natural numbers to natural numbers given by f of x is equals to x square. So checking the first condition, 1 1, f of x is equals to f of y. So this implies x square is equals to y square. X square is equals to y square. We will get x is equals to plus or minus y. So plus or minus y you are getting, but it is taking natural numbers only. So if you are considering the natural numbers, it will not take the negative side. So this implies x is equals to y and x is equals to minus y should be neglected, because these numbers are coming from the natural numbers and this minus y does not come from the natural numbers. So x is equals to y case is coming, then, and it is not coming, x is equals to minus y is not coming, x is equals to y, it came f of x is equals to f of y, then you can take f is 1 1, f is 1 1. And coming to the onto case, for each y belongs to y, for each y belongs to natural numbers, same, make y is equals to f of x is equals to x square, then check here x is y is equals to x square. This implies x can be taken as plus or minus square root of y. X is equals to plus or minus square root of y. Now we'll see, for each y belongs to natural numbers, you should get plus or minus square root of y. Now how it can be taken square root of y? If I consider y is equals to 5, then can I get root y is equals to root 5 belongs to natural numbers? Y is equals to 5, then root y is equals to root 5 does not belongs to natural numbers, meaning is you are not getting such kind of the x. So for each y you are not going to get x. And if y is equals to 9, then you may get x is equals to square root of 9 is equals to 3, but square root of 8, square root of 7 will not get. So that's why this implies f is not onto. You are not getting such kind of the x belongs to natural numbers.